Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix a serpentine belt or serpentine belt, whatever it's called, on a 2000 Toyota Sienna. So as you could see in the video, I've already put the serpentine belt around two pulleys. I'll put the diagram on the screen for you guys to see how the belt goes around the pulleys. And the last pulley that I have to get it onto is the alternator. And for the alternator, I have to loosen the few bolts that I'm pointing out to you guys right now in the video, so I could move the alternator down a little bit to get the serpentine belt on the pulley. So loosen the top bolt so the alternator can move up and down easily. You don't have to take it off all the way. I actually don't recommend taking it off all the way. Just loosen it a little bit so it can move up and down freely. So our main goal was to basically move the alternator. So loosen it up as much as you can until you get this belt, and you can pull it and get it to on top. I've got the belt on the pulley, but barely, so I still need to loosen the bolt so I can take the alternator down a little bit more in order for the belt to come up all the way on the pulley. The belt is on the pulley. Now give the belt a little tug to make sure it's tight and secure on the pulley. Then go start your car and let it run for a while.